Hi, my name is Christian Regas.
Hello, my name is Anshu.
Hi, my name is Lucas.
Hi, my name is Rick.
Hi, my name is Brian Flores.
Hi, my name is Sarah. Hi, my name is Samantha.
Hi, my name is SkillsUSA.
Hi, my name is Kevin Robinson.
Hi, I'm Justin Tanko, and I'm a part of SYAP.
Right now I'm updating the Premier theme board to set us to the most current update that is available. This update will give us new features that we will use later on in the school year, and also to get rid of any bugs from the previous update.
Hello, my name is Anshu. We are using Deploy Studio and Mac Server to push out our imaging packages to our computer.
Today we are rewiring network cables. This allows us to isolate problems quicker and also to increase performance.
Right now, I'm vacuuming the car to maintain the interior quality.
SYAP program has taught me organizational skills that I can implement in my future job.
Now I'm doing a ring job to maintain the life of quality of the rim.
As you can see, I'm buffering this car right now.
Great teacher that's helping you out. Whatever knowledge you can glean off of him, get as much as you can. Because when you go out to the real world, you're not going to find a boss that's going to be willing to take the time out to teach you.
This summer, we partnered up with Dan from Palantir. He donated network appliances for us to use during the school year.
This summer, I had the opportunity to participate in a cybersecurity bootcamp.
This summer, we inventoried all electronic devices in the school.
This opportunity has allowed me to develop skills in this growing field.
This summer, I facilitated between the two SYAP programs, which are IT and Auto Body. SYAP has helped me develop workplace skills that I can now implement in my future career.
See, I didn't get it boiling hot. You want to keep it under 120 degrees.
We just bought a car, and what I'm doing is I'm going to take the power holder and just rinse up all the contamination that was left on the car.